Can you imagine stepping out your front door to a 60-acre private lake where a sunset walk around the water is just 2 miles from start to finish? Welcome to life on Pinewood Lake. Hey, so welcome to my newest listing here at 100 Old Dike Road. This property is direct waterfront on Pinewood Lake. Why don't we go inside, check out the house, and when we're finished, we'll go down to the lake. One thing the owner, Susan, kept talking about was this room. Heated and cooled solarium, which just literally offers walls of glass and panoramic views of the lake. You know, with oak floors and a beautiful fireplace with custom hand-carved wooden mantel. Just a very charming house. I think being a neighbor in Westport of Martha Stewart for 25 years definitely rubbed off on Susan, because I can definitely feel some Martha Stewart inspiration throughout this house. Very, very classy. So I come off the kitchen into this formal dining room. I love the wall sconces, and these French doors leading out to the patio are magnificent. Look at those floors. Look at this kitchen. I mean, I'm talking about totally remodeled about 3 years ago. Great cabinetry, light maple cabinetry. She's got about a 10-foot center island here with another vegetable sink. Quartz. These appliances are called Fisher Paykel. I mean, they're very high end. She even has that Wolf gas oven range. And then there's a wine chiller behind me. Lots of cabinets, very decorative. You've obviously got these sliding glass doors that just open up, to a beautiful panoramic view of the lake. And if you come into this little mudroom that kind of comes in from the driveway, you've got this Martha Stewart-inspired mudroom area with this old antique sink, and very, very charming. So here on the upper level, we've got 4 generously sized bedrooms, oak floors throughout. But a few years ago, Susan totally renovated these 2 full baths, one in the primary, one in the hall, beautifully tiled. Oh, wow, check this out, man. Look at this dock. The thing that I like most about Pinewood Lake is just, coming down here, it feels like I'm in a campground. It's just, you're so into nature, and the lake is so beautiful, tranquil, peaceful. I mean, there's such a sense of community here too. People are always walking around the lake, and pontoon boats and paddleboarding and canoeing, and it's an amazing way of life. One thing that Susan told me about this particular spot too is that this is deep water behind me. That's why she has the diving board. You can actually dive off of this board. The water's pretty deep here. It's also a great spot for fishing right here. You may catch something really big. I don't know. You may or may not. I'm not even sure how big the things in this lake are, but I'm sure, I did hear that they stocked it. But, again, do some fishing. Listen, so thank you so much for coming on this tour of 100 Old Dike Road, direct water frontage here on Pinewood Lake. I appreciate it very much. If you're interested in taking a look at this house, or if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. You can always call me at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcanone.com. Once again, thank you so much for coming on this tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great rest of your day.